How to fix Keeper Password Manager for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall Keeper Password Manager for Mac. 1. Open your preferred text editor, such as TextEdit or Sublime Text, and create a new file. 2. Copy and paste the following script into the file, #bin/bash. #uninstall Keeper Password Manager sudo launchctl unload /library/launchdaemons .com.keepersecurity.Enterprise.plist. sudo rmrf/application/keeper.app. sudo rmrf/library/application support /keeper sudo rmrf/library/launchdaemons .com.keepersecurity.Enterprise.plist. sudo rmrf/library/preferences .com.keepersecurity.Enterprise.plist. sudo rmrf/library/PrivilegedHelperTools .com.keepersecurity.Enterprise. Echo Keeper Password Manager has been uninstalled successfully. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_keeper.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_keeper.sh in terminal and pressing enter. 6. You will be prompted to enter your admin password. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, Keeper Password Manager should be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.